Toshiba features can help you protect your loved ones, not just from viruses or bacteria from pet hair, but also from pollutants such as PM2.5 that are less than 2.5 microns in diameter, which is a 20th the width of a human hair. They lodge deep in lung tissue and are linked to many diseases such as cancer and asthma. The Toshiba IAQ filter can deactivate bacteria and viruses by up to 99%. By plasma ion technology, many pollutants can be deactivated and eliminated as well. Moreover, the heat exchanger is specially coated and always clean. The impurities are continuously drained and condensed. The self-cleaning function is designed to reduce humidity that causes mold to form inside the air conditioning unit. When you turn off the air conditioner, the internal fan activates and dries the moisture in the coil for 20 minutes before turning off automatically. The FCU also has easy service construction with no skill for cleaning, reducing the risk of air conditioning breakage during assembly for cleaning. Also, the installer can finish service quickly, saving you time to enjoy with your family. Because Toshiba cares for your health with every breath.